everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So this video is another review video, kind of ish, because we're gonna be reviewing and comparing few items. So what I did, I reviewed for the first time a NYX Precision Brow Pencil and compared it to the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Can you tell which brow is which product? So I think without any further ado, we should jump into the actual review comparison video. Let's watch. Alright loves, let's do this. So I have this brand new NYX Precision Brow Pencil which I haven't opened yet, as I wanted to be a first impressions review as well, not only comparison to the Benefit one. I've been using this Benefit brow pencils for a while and I've been really liking it, and I couldn't find the replacement that would match or would be even better. So hopefully this will be even better, and this is like half the price of this one. So Benefit is two different types. It's basically the same product in two different packages. So one is called Precisely My Brow Pencil and another one is Goof Proof Brow Pencil as well. This one is just like more precise because it's more like smaller, makes it easier for you to draw on it, and another is like much thicker. Don't know if you can see on the camera, but I've been really loving this and I've been using them a lot. I actually finished this one yesterday, so I have this brand new one. So it has two sides, as you can see, a brush and a pen. In this one, brand new one, let's just open and see what we got, because it's still wrapped in this package. And this one has a brush as well. Love, it's very handy for brows. And oh, okay, so this one, I thought it was gonna be exactly like Precisely My Brow, the smaller, denser one, but this is actually a thicker one, exactly like a Goof Proof Brow Pencil, very similar to that. This is actually very similar copy to Anastasia Beverly Hills one. If you would check, first thing, I think we should check the color match. So from this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil or Goof Proof Brow Pencil, I have in the shade 5, which is like a darker brown, I think. I'm just gonna draw on the hand so you guys can see. And this NYX Precision Brow Pencil, I took it in the color Espresso, so I thought it's gonna be a close match. So I think we can check. It feels exactly the same when I draw on my hand though now, like the consistency of the product, the density of it, so it might be the same. Colors are very alike. If you guys can see on the camera, very similar. So I think without any further ado, we should just try it on the eyes and see how different and how good or bad it is. So I think I'm gonna start with the one I actually used and I know. So Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5. To be honest, from two of these, from Benefit, Precisely My Brow or Goof Proof Brow Pencil, I prefer Goof Proof. I prefer this thicker end because my brows are quite thick naturally, so it's easier for me to fill in rather than with this one. So what I like, I always fill in brow and then I brush it off, so I kind of blend the color, and what's left on the actual brush I drag a little bit to the front of my brow. That's literally how I do my brows, just fill in and later just add a bit of a brow gel. Alright, so this eyebrow is done. Let's try the brand new one by NYX Precision Brow Pencil and see if it's any good or not. I actually have really high expectations for this and I really hope this is better than a Benefit one, because I've been looking to replace the Benefit one for a while and I couldn't find a product that would be good enough. But I really hope it is, because NYX are cruelty-free brand and it's way cheaper than Benefit actually. And it's really good brand, really good quality makeup brand, so I really hope it's gonna be good. So without any further ado, I think we should just try it out. So I'm giving a quick brush first. You know what I like about this pen so far? That one side is very flat and another side is very thin, so that will make it easier to draw the line, to draw the actual shape, you know, of your brow. Oh, so far so good. Makes it so much faster to fill in because it takes color from the side as well. Hello there. Liking it so far, okay. you've seen, the both eyebrows are done, and I don't know if you can see this through a camera, but I personally can't tell the difference in the color. Colors matching so good, like even on the hand you guys can see. You can't tell the difference between the color shades. So Benefit number 5 and NYX Espresso is basically the same shade if you're looking for this. Another thing, I found the NYX Precision Brow Pencil to be easier to use because that flat edge makes it easier to draw the shape of a brow rather than the Precision Brow Pencil. Although it's thin and tiny and you would think it's easier, it's not that thin. I don't know how to explain. Basically, this is harder to use rather than this shape. So this shape-wise, I go for NYX all the way through. Another thing, the product itself is like basically the same. I mean, the texture of it and everything, I can't personally tell a difference. I can't tell the difference by the color of it. Application-wise, I found this easier to use as I mentioned. But everything else, I mean, look at that. Can you tell a difference? I personally can't. I don't know what you guys can see through a camera, but if I look at the mirror, I can't tell the difference in the color or anything whatsoever. So for that reason, I am going with the NYX one because not only this is a cruelty-free brand, then Benefit is not. This is at least twice cheaper than this one. So, you know, price-wise, this is already a win, and you can't tell the difference, and this is easier to use. In my opinion, the shape of a pen is better than this one, so NYX is a winner for me. So thank you so much for spending your time watching this review comparison video. I really hope you found this helpful. If so, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I can't wait to share my videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! See you soon!